What's going on YouTube? It's Machiavelli back again with another video, and today we are doing something we have never done before. We are going to explore Toronto's Don Jail, Canada's last place where people were hung. In this video we are going to do something we have never done before. We are going to check for paranormal activities. And how I'm going to do that, you're asking? Well, I brought along with me an EMV recorder, something that picks up noises and sounds that a typical human being cannot hear. And also I brought with me a black light camera, something that lets us see stuff that the normal human eyes cannot see. Like, hype, and subscribe to the channel. Whoa, what'd you hear? What'd you hear that? What'd you hear? What did you hear? Let's get the fuck out of here. What'd you hear? What?
10,000, and I would lose $1 million trying to win back the 40,000. But instead of just taking me out.
Yo, what the? Let's go inside the Don Jail. Look at the sun right here. Also, fabulous.
Crazy.
Crazy. Just walk in here. Wow. As you can see, the monitor is connected? Let's go this way. Let's see what it's looking like over here. Another door. There's a downstairs. There's a downstairs. Let's go downstairs. Inside the Don Jail. Woo! This is a washroom. These look like cells. Damn. Take a look in here. Crazy. This must have been like a lunchroom or something. No? I feel like I could get lost. Whoa. Check that out. I feel like I could get lost down here for real. Open door. Segregation cell. Check this out. Says by 1953, most punishment cells had been converted to storage spaces and only one remained. The segregation cell. Jail guards sent inmates to segregation for misbehavior. A cell of this type was equipped with a solid oak door that blocked out all light. In a jail that prided itself in giving inmates daily fresh air and natural light, this punishment was serious. God damn. Crazy. No light, no nothing. I'm gonna have to try this out still. Hope I don't get cursed, yeah. Okay, yeah. All right, so today I also brought with me a black light, which is able to capture liquids and fluids that normal human eye wouldn't be able to see. We're gonna use that in the segregation room. Also, I bought an EVP recorder. This device right here allows you to hear sounds that then human ear wouldn't normally hear. People usually use this for supernatural activities, and guess what? That's what we're here for. So We're gonna give this a try as well. Yeah. All right, so yeah, come in. All right, let's see what this black lady saying.
Oh, I can't see shit now. Oh, now a little bit.
Let me see.
Can't see. I can see the light.
Okay, yeah, that's good. That's how you see. Boom. Just bring it around. Jesus. What's this right here? There's some blood? I'm not really seeing too much action in here. What's this over here? Nothing. We got little specks. Zoom in. Got little specks of I don't know what. Turn to this side. Jeez. Specks. Specks. More specks. Jeez. So, we'll come over here. Yeah. This is probably the most I've seen in here. But overall, even the door, there's nothing really in here. It's like they cleaned this place up thoroughly. Oh, look on the ground, what's this? Oh, no, I think that's a piece of paper. All right, open this up. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, that just chipped me the fuck out. Yo, that just chipped me the fuck out. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, real shit, I hope I don't bring home some demon, brother. All right, so now we're gonna use the EVP recorder. I'm gonna try and see if we can, we're gonna ask a couple questions. I'm gonna try and see if we can hear anything back. All right, come. Put this on this. You see this? Now you don't have to completely lock it. Just leave a bit of light. Boom. All right, we're recording. Is there anybody in here? If there's somebody in here, what's your name? And if you are in here, what year were you put in here? And if you died in here, what year did you die in here? All right, come on. Let's pay that back. All right, guys, check this out. Yo, what the fuck was that? Oh, that must have been the... What the fuck was that? Yo, what the fuck? Yo, it's just crazy, bro. What the fuck? Yo, hold up. Let's go. Let's move from here still. Let's move from here. You hear that shit at end, fam? You were never here, right? Another long hallway. I don't know what this is, but all this stuff is locked. Oh, I can kind of see through here. Hold up. Storage rooms. It's another one of these, pretty much. So yeah, let's go up those stairs. Let's get out of here. We went that way already. Let's go upstairs. There's a couple floors to this place. See what's going on upstairs. We got the wood floors. More cell doors. Escape attempts. Look at this. Escape attempts, number 13. The Boyd gang, what the fuck? The gallows. You talk about Galloway? These are all cells, but they're not offices. You see that? Former cells turned into offices. Yeah, there's nothing to see here really. Yeah. Damn. What is that?
That's the gallows.
These are the last two people to be hung in Canada. After that, Canada got rid of the hanging law. It's a tin door. Let me see what it says. From the early days of settlement upon Canada's last hanging in 1962, execution was a part of the penal system. Beginning with the Confederation in 1867, hanging by gallows was the only legal way to administer the death penalty. Since that time, 710 people have been executed on Canada's soil. 70 of those executions took place at the Don jail. Crazy. Pretty much what it says, after this guy and this guy died, the deaths of these men and the other like them fueled the debate until finally in 1976, the death penalty was abolished. The free vote on legislation brought in by the government of Prime Minister Pierre Trudeau passed by only a slim margin. In recent years, public opinion on this matter is passionately divided. Crazy. So this is where they hung people. In here. Let me see something. What's going on out there though? Oh, come. It's sealed off, but look, if you look over here, you see that it's a room. Crazy. All right, so we're gonna do another EVP recorder test to see if we can hear any other type of supernatural activities. Right now we're at the gallows. This is where people are getting hung. I'm gonna ask about Lucas. I'm gonna ask about Ronald, the last two people to be hung in Canada. Is there anybody in here? Ronald Trump? Arthur Lucas? You guys have anything to say? If you do, make a knocking sound, say hi. Is there anything else you guys want to say? You want to apologize for your crime? Are you innocent? If you do, make a sound right now. All right, let's listen to what we heard.
10,000, and I would lose $1 million trying to win back the 40,000. But instead of just taking me out.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Get out of here. Fam, what's that sound at the end?
It's on the door.
Fuck? Tripping right now. That shit at the beginning though, that was a lady downstairs, no? Right?
I think so. Do this.
Someone's behind you. This floor feels like it's about to fall apart. Yeah, this whole thing's locked off, man. Let's go upstairs, yeah. Another hallway, symmetrical with the one that we see downstairs. I'll keep going upstairs. More offices. Let's go. Shoes up, like, what is this? Nothing. Let's go upstairs. Third floor. Damn. So as you can see, it still got like the old wood frame against this building. Show them the top. I don't think we could go this way. Is that a sensor? There's nothing over there anyway. Put the camera over there though. There's nothing over there anyways.
Fucking report.
This guy's holding his chest, bro. What the fuck? Oh, alright, let's go downstairs. The beds in here. They still have the beds in here. They still have the beds in here. What the fuck? This is actually crazy. Look how thin these cells are, bro. What the fuck? God damn. Look at this bed, fam. This thing is fam. There's only room for a bed. That's wild, bro. What the fuck? I'd go mod in here. I didn't go mod in here. This is what I'll be doing. Mod. Some of them are even smaller. Look at these ones, fam. Mod. I wonder what this is. This lock? Boom. Welcome to the Don jail. We're gonna do the black light test and the EMV test in here. This is the only bed they still got going in here. This is the last bed, I guess, that they got going on over here. Let me see if I can see anything. Oh, shit. I'm seeing stuff. Oh, you just scared the shit out of me, bro. Oh, God. Is there anything on the bed?
Don't touch this.
Don't touch it yet. This wall seems pretty clean. Oh, we got some activity, right? Oh, and that looks like where they had the blood on the picture, yo.
The shit where it was blood. I don't know.
Yo, look at this. Look. Look.
They tried to paint it out. They couldn't cover it.
What the fuck? Come back over on this side. What's going on over here? Oh, turn off that light. Fuck. You see it? See you turn off that light? I don't know. I think that's some other shit. Come over here and grab this. See anything over here. Shit. I don't really see too much activities over here. It's the bed. Let me see it behind me. Bro, I could barely fit in here. Shit's crazy. Nah, they pretty much cleaned it up. There's not too much shit going on in here either. Yeah. Stop this. Stop this. Shit. Ooh. We hit the jackpot. We hit the jackpot. Come on in. Sheesh. Yo, what the f? This is the dirtiest cell here. 100%. Yo, what the f? Look at that. What the f? I don't know if this is piss, cum, blood shit. I don't know what the fuck this is. Look.
Oh, no. Oh, what the? Yo. What?
You want to do the thing in here?
Not really.
What we doing it?
Oh, no. Please don't make me do this.
Go. Let's do this.
Just stay up here.
You can stay out here.
Okay, I'll stand out here while you do this, all right?
Bam, let's do this.
Stop, buddy.
All right, so we're gonna do the EMV sound test with this one here, this one right here. Is there anybody in here? If there's somebody in here, tell me your name. What were you in here for? And how long were you in here for? And when did you die? If someone died. All right, let's play this back. What did you hear? What did you hear that? What did you hear? What did you hear? Let's get the fuck out of here. What did you hear? Yo, fuck that. Let's get the fuck up out of here. Yo, let's get the fuck up out of here. What did you hear? Oh God, what did you hear? What did you hear? Yo, what the fuck did you hear? Yo, what the fuck? Yo, I'm out of here. Fuck this. Yo. Yo, what did you hear? Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment in the comment section. You already know I'm out.